Hi, I'm Anton.
I'm Malika.
And I'm Elaine.
This week we changed our target customers from students to business professionals because we felt that business professionals would be more willing to donate since they have a steady income. We conducted interviews targeting this customer base and concluded from our results that people with steady incomes are more likely to donate. Our interviewees donated to many more organizations compared to our interviewees who were students last week. We also saw that many of the places that people donated to were either places that the interviewee was either personally interested in or had personal relations with the people in those organizations. For our test, we collected emails from working adults in different industries. We also collected emails from job recruiters in these industries since we observed from previous research that student organizations contacted recruiters of companies to ask for grants. From there, we drafted an email introducing our venture with details of the donation process.
We sent out 25 emails to business professionals as per our hypothesis. However, our test has proven to be false because only 2 people have responded and only one of them was willing to make a donation. After some analysis, we decided that this was due to our delivery method. When we took a look at the person that emailed us back, he seemed to be skeptical about our credibility, and although expressed interest in making a donation, he wanted to verify who we were first. Because we're not a well-established charity and do not have the right credibility, using email as our method of reaching out does not help. We need to shift our delivery method to a more personal one and establish more credibility, especially if we're going to be handling money.
We realized that our business is very similar to a marketplace, and a marketplace has 2 sides. We tried to target the side making donations first, but we realized that in order to create trust in those making donations, we need to first have an established set of organizations that are applying for these donations. We think that there is less of a trust barrier approaching the side that is applying for grants, as they do not have to put the money down. Therefore, the next step in our venture is to focus on the student organizations and individual scholars. We know that students and organizations do apply for scholarships and grants, but we need to see what aspects convince them to put time aside to go through these applications.